Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, October 12th. We continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Staying Present. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Pablo Neruda. I am as all mortals are, unable to be patient. It is so difficult to wait. And yet nothing short of patience can give access to the nature of wholeness. In part, this is because the mystery of life in its totality is incomprehensible, and what can be understood often speaks in a language so slow that we seldom stick around long enough to hear. As the great Chilean poet Pablo Neruda confirms, patience is a gift that waits beneath our very human agitation. Yet, only through the incredibly difficult effort of staying present will life's forces reveal to us their power of oneness. I recently went to the ocean and listened much of the night to the surf. And the next morning, I was surprised to see that the tide had receded to reveal a cliff that had been submerged. I was now able to walk on what revealed itself out into the sea, and the water rising about me, spraying and slapping what normally can't be seen, made me realize it is the same with our pain. For only when we can outwit the dark will the sharpness of experience recede like a tide to reveal what has survived beneath it all. Often what seems tragic, if looked at long enough, reveals itself as part of a larger transformation. I do remember coming upon a clearing in the woods so densely overgrown that it felt depressing, for nothing seemed capable of getting through. Something in my own makeup resembled this, and made me return there several times. But it was finally in winter, without its leaves, that the same clearing undressed itself as a magnificent bed of light that happened to be on the crest of a beautiful hill. It humbled me to realize that winter can be freeing, too, and that I am often overgrown with memories and reasons and twigs of mind that block me from the light. So often, in our agitation and impatience, we hurry off, annoyed and troubled, in search of love or peace, never imagining that where we first looked is now letting light through or sprouting its truth. It takes months for a crab apple to shake the crab and find the apple, and even longer for joy to split its human bark. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, remind yourself that there is nothing that needs to be fixed at this moment. Everything is good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now take a moment to center yourself in the dense woods of your heart. How does it feel? What are you experiencing physically, mentally, emotionally as you imagine yourself in the very thick, in the dense woods of your heart? And once you settle there, imagine going to the clearing from which you understand yourself. Imagine sitting beneath the many memories and reasons and feelings that have grown like leaves in your heart. Feel how the record of what you've lived keeps the light from getting through. Now, without analyzing or becoming nostalgic, without thinking at all, breathe deeply and let your breath release the slight blocking leaves of your heart. Let your deep, centered breathing be a soft wind that starts to strip your heart free to see the light. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Maybe continue with this visualization as you allow all the overgrowth of memories and reasons and feelings to give way to the light in your heart. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. A beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.